Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 foldable phones in 2025. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading foldable phone that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Google Pixel Fold in sleek obsidian. With stunning AI-powered features and a foldable design, it's a tech marvel. The 7.6-inch OLED screen offers 120Hz, HDR10+, and peak brightness at 1450 nits. The 5.8-inch cover display ensures convenience, providing vivid visuals for multitasking or entertainment anywhere. The triple-lens setup includes telephoto and ultra-wide lenses, powered by AI. Capture sharp, vibrant shots and record in any light for professional-grade results in your pocket, equipped with the Google Tensor G2 chip, 12GB RAM, and Android upgrades. This phone handles multitasking, gaming, and productivity with unparalleled speed and efficiency. The 4821 mAh battery ensures up to 24 hours of uninterrupted use. Whether you're working, gaming, or streaming, stay connected longer without interruptions. IPX8 water resistance and seamless carrier compatibility make this phone resilient and adaptable, ready for any lifestyle or environment. In conclusion, the Google Pixel Fold combines cutting-edge innovation with elegant design. Number 4. The impressive Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 in silver shadow. With cutting-edge AI and a foldable design, it's the future of smartphones. Discover smarter shopping with Circle to Search. Simply circle items on the big screen, and find where to buy them instantly. Search has never been this intuitive. Break language barriers with the AI-powered live interpreter. Translate conversations in real time across 16 languages, displayed clearly on both screens in flex mode. Enhance your photos effortlessly with AI tools. Fix imperfections, move objects, and boost colors instantly on the expansive screen for picture-perfect results every time. The 7.6-inch massive screen paired with a fast processor delivers cinematic visuals and realistic graphics. Level up your gaming experience with power and performance. Work smarter with up to 3 active windows. Edit, shop, and stream simultaneously, optimizing productivity and enhancing your multitasking abilities. In conclusion, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 combines innovation, power, and style. From gaming to AI edits, it's a masterpiece. Number 3. The renewed Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold in obsidian. With cutting-edge AI, a foldable display, and triple cameras, it's redefining tech. Experienced seamless performance with the Pixel's fastest chip. From multitasking to groundbreaking camera features, this AI-powered powerhouse ensures smooth functionality throughout your day. Let Gemini boost productivity. Easily write, plan, or learn with AI. Your personalized assistant is just a button away. Ready to transform ideas into actions. The triple rear camera with AI captures vivid selfies and incredible group photos. Flexible design and editing tools take photography to the next level. The 8-inch Super Actua Flex display amazes with 80% brighter visuals. Perfect for entertainment and multitasking, it's complemented by a practical 6.3-inch outer screen. Multitask effortlessly with split screen. Open 2 apps side by side, enabling seamless transitions between tasks, boosting efficiency like never before. In conclusion, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold combines innovation and style. From AI advancements to stunning displays, it's a game-changer. Number 2. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 5G in Phantom Black. Let's discover why this foldable powerhouse is redefining mobile innovation. Flex mode lets you go hands-free. Prop it up for video calls or multitask with ease, perfect for note-taking during meetings or watching instructional videos seamlessly. With hands-free video chat, multitasking is effortless. Catch up with friends while checking off tasks. Stay in frame and stay productive without holding your phone. Use multiple apps simultaneously with multi-view. Attend meetings, take notes, or text while streaming your favorite shows. Efficiency at its finest. Turn your device into a creative tool with the S Pen. Write, sketch, or drag and drop content, enhancing both productivity and creativity. The edge-to-edge screen delivers stunning visuals, perfect for apps and media. Customize app layouts for an optimized viewing experience tailored to your needs. In conclusion, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is a game-changer, merging style and function. Ready to elevate your tech? Number 1. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 5G. This renewed, icy blue marvel promises innovation and style. Let's explore its features. The 7.6-inch foldable display delivers immersive streaming like never before. Its cinematic quality ensures every frame pops, whether you're binge-watching or enjoying movies on the go. Gamers, rejoice! With a powerful processor and high refresh rate, the Z Fold 5 minimizes input delays for unmatched gameplay on its expansive interior or handy cover screen. Drag and drop photos, shop on multiple sites, or text while streaming. Dual app viewing enhances productivity, transforming how you work and play. Achieve peak productivity with the S Pen. It's perfect for taking notes, drawing, or completing tasks seamlessly on the large foldable screen. From hands-free calls to effortless multitasking, Flex Mode optimizes convenience. Chat, take notes, or unwind, all in one foldable device. In conclusion, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 5G combines tech brilliance and premium design. Renew your experience with this groundbreaking smartphone, your future awaits. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.